and today I'm doing the Tiny Hands Makeup Challenge. I went to see Infinity War the other night and I came home and I was very upset. So I had a couple drinks and then I ordered these on Amazon at 3 a.m. So here we are. I saw this challenge on Instagram. Seemed like a terrible idea, so let's just jump on into it. I'm starting off with my 24K gold serum that Maskology sent to me. It's on my face. Okay. Alright, I'm just gonna pat that in all over my face. I didn't get enough. I'm just gonna pat that in. Next, I'm using my Floral Hydro Cream that Mamonde sent to me. And this one has narcissus flower in it. I'm using that much because the hands decided I'm using that much. I'm just gonna pat that in. It smells really good, you guys. Remember to go in upward motions. Next, I'm using my prismatic luminizing shield from Volition. A bit of lint on my nose. Don't forget your neck. Now that my skin is prepped, I'm gonna move on to concealer. I'm using my YSL All Hours concealer. I'm not gonna lie, I'm opening most of these things with my feet. It is all over all the things. I love the internet. Yeah. Stop texting me! Applying this to my dark circles and blemishes, and slowly losing the will to live. All done. And I'm just going to gently blend that in with my fingertips. It's everywhere. Now that that is blended in, I'm just gonna skip foundation and go straight to my powder. I'm using my Maybelline Mineral Powder. I'm putting this over my concealer first and then blending it onto the rest of my face. I love this powder. It's so light and airy. And blend it out in small circular motions. If you drop that brush, you can just try a bigger one. Make sure you blend down the neck. Next, I'm using my Sunlit Bronzer in Bali Sands that was sent to me by Becca Cosmetics. I caught it with my boob. Praise be. And I'm going around my hairline and then contouring underneath the cheekbone. You want to make sure that you're working in upward motions, pro tips. And then under the chin to camouflage your waddle. Totally fine, because nothing matters anymore. Don't forget to blend down the neck a little bit. I can't actually see myself up close. Looks good. Next, I'm using my Brow Bar to Go from Gerard Cosmetics in the Blonde to Light Brown palette. Are you okay? It is getting hot in here. First, fill in the tail of the brow. Fill in the tail. 10 years ago, nobody needed brows. And then do the rest. I like to go in one line underneath and then brush the product up. Just like that. I'm using my go-to blush, which is the Coralista from Benefit. Just putting a little bit on the apples of my cheeks. Next, I'm using my Biker Babe palette that Velvet 59 sent me. I'm starting with the shade Throttle all over my eyelid. It's this really nice light pearl color. Next I'm adding Cafe Racer into the outer V and blending that out as my transition color. On a smaller brush, I'm adding Chopper just to the outer corner and a little bit along the lash line. And I'm gonna bring that under. Beautiful. And this is just gonna add some nice depth. This is a gorgeous color. And I'm just gonna blend that out using a clean fluffy brush. Next I'm using my black eyeliner stylo sent to me by Cella. This is a felt tip pen eyeliner and it goes on super smooth. And exactly where you want it. I'm just doing a little teeny tiny wing. Sure, that works. And trying to get them symmetrical. And, oh, mother. That's fine. Just put a little more eyeshadow any place that you made any mistakes. Next I'm going to curl my lashes. Maybe. Yeah. Oh, it's pinching my cheek. That works. And I'm finishing the eyes with the Shock Mascara sent to me by YSL. I love how smooth this mascara goes on. Just be careful not to poke yourself in the eye. And you're good to go. Do just a tiny bit on the lower lash line. Rub off any place where you got that up there. It's fine. It's good. We're good. Next, I'm using my Nikki Tutorials Everglow from Ofra Cosmetics. I'm just using my fingertips to apply the copper shade in this palette on the tip of my nose, a little bit down the bridge, along my upper cheekbones. You just want a little bit of sheen up there. You don't want to look greasy. And a little bit on the Cupid's bow. And of course, don't forget that brow bone. And I'm gonna finish this look off with my CYS lip gloss from Gerard Cosmetics, and this is in the color Nude. Luckily, this one has a built-in light, making it much easier to apply. It's so hot in here. That was the most perilous drink of water ever. Alright, now I'm just gonna put my hair down. Maybe a chic updo is in order. I can do this. Hagrid, you bumped my camera! Whew. Alright, so that's as good as that's gonna get. That has been my Tiny Hands challenge video. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I think you're supposed to tag other YouTubers in challenge videos, so I'm just gonna tag Shane Dawson because he's like literally the only YouTuber I know, I guess. Does he do challenge videos? I have no idea. So that's it. Let me know if you want to see more videos with the tiny hands. I don't know that I have it in me to do this again, but I will try. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. It really helps my videos get seen.